Good morning, good Monday morning, English 9. This is Mrs. Rianda. And this video is what you're going to be getting every single Monday. You're going to be getting a weekly update video from me along with just going over the session and the session plan. So the first thing you do, this is your landing page on Schoology. It looks a little different because I am actually creating this video a little early. So what you do every time you log in on Monday morning or Monday afternoon or Monday evening, you will click on materials, scroll down a little bit, and this week we're going to be working on Unit 1, Shaping Stories. And as you can see, in the folder, I provide you with the 3 sessions. I basically give you a calendar. Session 1, 2, and session 3. I'll have that changed. And all the due dates so that you can know what to expect for this unit. As always, though, sessions are due on Sunday. So you will have that right there. And on the right-hand side, you'll also have the list of assignments. Remember, don't click on these assignments because they'll just take you directly to the assignment and not provide you the content. And that's one surefire way to bomb an assignment is just by going straight to the assignment and not going through the content. So you click on Unit 1, Shaping Stories. And then you can click on this weekly video here if you're already not watching this video. I put this video in several places. I'll put it here in the English 9 weekly update video, actually in the session. I will put it in the the English video library under materials, and I'll also put it in the session plan. So I basically put it everywhere, just so that I make sure that you find it. So if you've already watched this video, don't have to watch the one that I have my pointer on. You can just skip right to the session plan. And this is the place that you want to start every single Monday, the session plan, because it lays out the entire week for you. So in this session and this unit, you're going to be learning about active reading strategies that will help improve your reading comprehension. So what we're going to be doing the next 2 weeks, this week and next week, we're going to be learning about active reading, learning about the strategies, and actually practicing those strategies. This week we're going to be practicing those strategies by reading some novel passages. Next week we're going to be practicing those strategies again, but with newspaper articles, nonfiction, and short stories. And so these are the essential questions that we'll be considering through the next 2 weeks. Also on the session plan, as you can see, are important announcements. We do have Monday, 1 week from today, Labor Day, off. And so you are not required to attend school that day. You do not have to log into every one of your classes that day. Actually, starting today, Monday, we will start taking attendance. Because remember, last week we didn't take attendance because we want to make sure everyone gets into the school and figures it all out. So actually today is the first day I'll be taking attendance. And if you have any questions about that, go look in the syllabus because I lay it all out there for you. But the thing is, remember, all of our assignments are due on Sundays. So basically, I give you the whole week. All this work that I give every Monday morning can be done by Friday. That's what it's designed for. But I do give you the weekend for those of you that do work over the weekend to work on the session assignments. So I give you by Sunday midnight to submit those assignments. Okay, so even though we don't have school on Monday, session 1 is due by Sunday, September 1st. Okay, so I really hope you have a good Labor Day off. I know I will. Be sure that you are aware that I also won't be logging into the online school that day or Saturday and Sunday, because remember in the syllabus, as far as when you can contact me and expect a response, always 24 hours maximum. I will always try to get back to you as quick as I can, never really immediately, but a quick response. But by large, you will always get a response from me within 24 hours. But that does not include holidays and the weekend. So just want to make sure that you remember that from the syllabus. Also, if you need extra help, don't forget every single Wednesday at 1 o'clock, by clicking on this link right here, you can attend the weekly help session. This weekly help session is just a question and answer. I'm basically there waiting for you to answer your questions if you have any. So it's not a presentation or anything like that. It's literally like an office hours. But do not wait. If you have a question, you do not have to wait until Wednesday to contact me. You can always call me, text me at that number. You can always email me. And the easiest way is always to message me in Schoology, okay? But I do have that time set aside, as do all your J21 VA teachers, to get that immediate help. Also, next week, or actually, excuse me, this week is back to school night, and I'll be there, not virtually, but in real life. It's at the Jeffco Center, Jeffco building, excuse me, from 6 to 8. I hope to see you there. It's not required, but it's just a good opportunity to meet me, meet your other teachers, and maybe meet some other students too. Also in the session plan, you can always find our assignments that are due this week along with the point value. And I also provided a suggested schedule. This is the place that you can also find the videos that I mentioned earlier. So here is the PIA video that you should watch before you post a discussion on the first day on Monday. Also right here will be the link to this video, which I haven't created yet, right? I'm in the process. So it'll be right here. And so it'll lay out the 5 days for you where how you can finish your work. Also is another video here on how to use the reading strategies for novels. So be sure to watch that video. So again, all these videos are here in the session plan. They're also in the English video library on folder by clicking on materials. So that is our week. This is really the first week of content because last week was more introduction. Also, just a side note, all assignments, like I mentioned before, and I will be mentioning all semester long, are always due on Sunday. And as far as grading goes, I always wait to grade until after the due date. So assignments were due by Sunday. That means by Monday, probably no later than Tuesday, all the assignments will be updated in your gradebook. So just a good rule of thumb, you should put it on your calendar. Every Tuesday is a good day to check your gradebook because that is when it's the most updated. Also, it's a good time to not only check your grades, but also check my feedback, which I'll probably be doing a little bit more explaining next week. So I hope you have a fantastic week, and I hope you enjoy your Labor Day weekend.